Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. This morning in class we were talking about different household objects and what they say about different cultures. For example, the kettle, which is something very central to English culture. Perhaps the most frequent sentence I say in my life is, "I'll just go and put the kettle on." I'd ask students to think about objects they have in their house and what they say about their culture, and about objects they'd seen in houses around the world and what they say. And as an example, I talked about the first time I went to Germany and how shocked I was when I first used a German toilet. I don't know if you've been to Germany or not, but lots of toilets have these kind of strange inspection shelves. So if you go to the loo, rather than what you produce dropping into the water, like it does here in England, it drops onto this dry inspection shelf. And when you stand up, it's sitting there looking at you. I told my German friends about how strange I thought this was. And they looked at me like I was mad and said, no, it's very healthy. You can inspect your products and see if there's any problems. After mentioning this story, I realised that I was making the conversation not as polite or nice as it had been. So I apologised by saying, sorry to lower the tone. If you lower the tone, you make something less nice or less polite. So maybe local neighbourhoods might oppose the opening of a McDonald's because they think a fast food restaurant will lower the tone of the neighbourhood. If you've enjoyed this video, click the like button, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of when you or other people have somehow managed to lower the tone, or of other things that have lowered the tone of your neighbourhood, for example.